Matt here with 911R, and this morning we have this 99 VT Roadster ending up here in a little over an hour. I just want to do a quick little walk around, but first I want to thank everybody, all the bearing trailer community. This is our 2000th auction that's being completed. It's been a long journey and lots of hard work between our whole staff and crew. But what a great car to make our 2000s auction, and hopefully we'll have a wonderful result here. But this, of all cars, I don't care who you are, you go back and you see a Lamborghini Diablo or a Countach with these scissor doors. It is just so iconic, and you can't stop but look and stare and imagine driving yourself in these Italian stallions here. So this car is a beautiful car. It's finished in yellow. They built 76 of these cars for the US. Not very many, that's a very small number. So you get a V12, you get a 6-speed manual transmission. The last of the generation. This is the most desirable of all the Diablos. Being a Roadster, being the last generation, exposed headlights, the cool OZ wheels, all the stuff. This car has a beautiful black and yellow interior that's been upgraded in it. Makes it look really nice and fresh, much better than the earlier interior that these cars came with. Beautiful yellow paint. This car had a clutch service at 5,500 miles on it. We just did oil and brake flush and full inspection on the car. Car's ready to go. You can put lots of miles on it. The suspension works great. The air conditioning works great. Really beautiful car, but again, coming around and seeing, the giant stance, the big wide tires, the rear wing, the cool taillights, the bitchin' exhaust coming up out of the back from the V12. There's nothing that sounds better than a Lamborghini V12, honestly. But beautiful bright yellow paint, really a cool car. Any questions, use the contact seller button. We're monitoring that all the time. If you're interested in 911R selling a car for you on Brains Trailer, please hit us up as well. Happy to talk about that. We also can, whoever the buyer is, we can help with worldwide shipping as well. Thank you very much, and thanks.